Hey everybody. So one of the questions I get frequently is, how large can I make a quarter ring? And the answer is I'm really not sure. So I guess today we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna take this Harpers Ferry quarter. I'm gonna punch a 3/8 or 5/16 inch hole in it, and then we're gonna see how far we can stretch it. So let's get started. First, we're going to put the quarter in there. Tighten this up really good. And then we're going to punch a hole. There's our center that's punched out. And now we need to remove the coin from this punch. And we want to use a soft hammer to do that, so use a leather hammer. There we go. Easy peasy. Alright, next step is to start the folding process. I'm going to use this dapping block to do that. Put the side we want to be out on the ring, goes down. And then we'll use this Delron ball bearing to make the initial fold. Looks good. So next, actually what I should have done first was deburr that hole. I think we can still do that now. And we do this to eliminate or to reduce the chance of having any cracks in the coin, because when the punch goes through the coin it makes kind of a sharp edge. And if we have any cracks that develop when you start to stretch, it will make those cracks turn into tears and can actually make the coin break in half. So, okay, I think we're good there. So now we'll continue the folding process using the 17-degree reduction die. And we'll start that process using this stainless steel comb. We want to make sure we got the coin in there level. Need to take our time with this. Looks good. I don't want to go down all the way to where the coin comes in contact with this because it will damage the detail on the inside of the coin. Okay, so far we're looking pretty good. So I think it's time to anneal. I want to keep the metal soft. So we'll get that done first. I want that just to start to glow red. Now we'll quench it. Alright, now we'll continue folding. This time, to finish off the folding, we'll use this composite cone, and we'll fold that coin to where the reeded edge comes into contact with the cone, and it will be a complete fold. So before we start doing the stretching, I want to sand this edge so we can see what's going on with that cut edge. We'll be able to see any cracks that start to form. I think we need a little more. All right, I think we can work with that. So, get a paper towel. Cover this mandrel with paper towel, and that will protect the inside of the coin as we're stretching. So every time we stretch, we give the coin a turn. And we'll keep going until I start to feel it harden. And it's easy to feel it when it happens. And there, it feels like it's starting to get hard. So I'm going to give this some more sanding. A little concerned about that one spot there. It's actually some detail in the coin that was cut when I punched the hole, so could be a weak spot. All right, we'll continue. Okay, let's continue. You can feel that's nice and soft now. Need to be real careful with this. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's this area right here that I'm concerned about. That could result in a tear, and the coin could split right there. I need to try to sand down through that. I may need to get a file onto it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and anneal again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took this over to my other bench and worked on this with the file, and I'm feeling a lot better now. There's still a slight thin spot right there. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll just go forward here and see what happens. Also annealed it. Yeah, that spot right there worries me. It's turning into a split. That's what I was worried about. And you can see it right here. So let me work on this some more with the file and see what I can do. We may have to abort this process. So yeah, I think this is a lost cause. I'd have to remove a good 1/8 of an inch or more to get that crack filed out. So I think what I'm going to do is just forge ahead here and show you what happens when you let a crack develop and you don't catch it or not worried about it or whatever. So we'll see what happens, see how far we can go before this thing breaks. Oh, there she went. So that's what happens when you let a crack develop. That is a fail. Well, I guess that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, a like, if you wouldn't mind. Maybe we learned something here today. Thank you.